Today, Grandma May and I are driving the Lellomobile around Lellobee City Farm. I want to show you everything on the farm. Come with us. Yay!
I love the carrots. I love the broccolis.
I love tomatoes. They are so good for me.
All of the veggies that are growing in the farm.
Boom-de-yada, 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 boom.
Oh.
I love the ducklings, and I love Mama Duck.
And our friend Pablo, he always makes me laugh.
I love Heidi the horse. She loves to dance along.
Boom-de-yada, 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 boom.
I love the scarecrow. He always smiles at me.
I love my friends too. They're playing happily.
I love the apple tree growing in the sun.
Boom-de-yada, 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 boom. I love the beehive.
I love the flower patch.
I love the barnyard and all the lovely grass.
I love everything on my favorite farm.
Yay!
Boom-de-yada, 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 boom. We love Lellobee City Farm.
Hi, I'm Ella, and that's Pablo the pig. He's so funny. Hey, Pablo, wait!
There was a pig who loved to eat, and Pablo was his name. Oh, P-A-B-L-O, 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 and Pablo was his name. Oh, Pablo, Pablo the pig. Pablo the pig loves his veggies.
They're so yummy.
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Carrots, peas and broccoli, and tasty apples for his lunch. There was a pig in a pink wig, and Pablo was his name. Oh, P-A-B-L-O, 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 and Pablo was his name. Oh, Pablo, Pablo the pig.
Pablo the pig loves his wig. It's so pink
And so bright.
He wears it and he strikes a pose.
What a funny sight.
But Pablo has a special secret, a super cool pig thing. Something pigs do so well. They really love to swim.
There was a pig who loved to swim, and Pablo was his name. Oh, P-A-B-L-O,